case you're new to my channel, I'm Mary Lou. Most of my recipes are plant-based, and here's another one. This is kind of a shorter video, but it's full of ideas for lunches. I'm going to be putting together a lunch bowl. It's sometimes called a grain bowl or a healthy bowl, but essentially it's a whole healthy meal all tucked into one simple bowl. You'll see the ingredients that I used today in the video, but I'm going to leave a list in the comment section below of all kinds of ideas that you can use that might work better for you. This is one of those recipes that can be changed around every time you make it. I always love starting with my little bin of little leftovers. I have a whole video on that, which you can see on my channel. Today, some of the leftovers I'm using for this lunch bowl are my roasted red peppers, a nice avocado. I have some tofu that we roasted up the other night, some cilantro. I have these beans that I froze the other day that were left over from a recipe I used, so I'm going to use those as well today. I've already cut up some arugula, cucumbers, like I said, cilantro, and I have some scallions in there too, just to perk up the flavor a bit. While I was chopping and preparing all of this, I cooked a nice sweet potato in the microwave. John and I are going to split this afternoon. I'll put that in the bowl hot, and then I'll add my red peppers, my roasted red peppers. You can see a whole video on my roasted red peppers as well. Then I'm going to add the black beans that were left over, and of course my avocado. One of the goals of going plant-based is to keep our heart healthy, to prevent or even reverse heart disease. And that means cutting down on the fats, even the so-called healthy ones. So I'm topping this with some tomatoes, which will help to juice it up. But we can use some flavored vinegar, some lemon juice, hummus, baba ganoush, some kind of salsa, and make this nice and juicy and keep it plant-based and easy on the fats. Check out the comment section below for other ideas to use in your lunch bowl. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so others will watch, and subscribe to my channel to see more plant-based ideas. I'd love to hear from you. Please leave a message in the comment section below and tell me what you did for your lunch. Thanks for watching.